Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to crop an image in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show crop an image. Now firstly insert from image. Now going to the insert point option. Then click for picture option. Now find your picture. Now select from a picture. Now click for insert option. That is. Then picture is crop. Now going to the crop option. Over click. Then click for side crop and left crop, left side and back side. Now from crop. That is. Then okay. Then I show crop an image in Microsoft Publisher is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.